Hi, my name is Darius. I'm an independent artist and I've been in the music business for a couple of years now. And today I will show the inspiring artists or just artists in general that would like to engineer their own music or record their own music, produce their own music, how to properly upload a session into Pro Tools, um, and then bounce it out and export it. Let's start by saying you already have your program Pro Tools installed. Um, and it's this icon at the bottom. So we're basically going to click on that, double click as it loads up. Now, we already have the session. Well, I already have the session named. That's because I did this tutorial like 3 times because I messed up. So it's already named. But for you guys, you would click a blank session and then you would have it at 24 bits and you would hit OK. But for me, I'm just going to go back to my recent and I'm going to click it. And still, your blank session will look just like this because I just saved it. So if you did it the way to create the session 24-bit, it will look just like this. And now we're both on the same page. Um, as of right now, we need to import tracks. So I'm going to import a record that was sent to me just to have leveled out. Um, so what we would do if we want to import a track, maybe a singer or something wanted to sing on, we would simply, you have to download the track to your computer, of course, and then we would simply just go to import audio. Um, and since it's named, I named it already. It's fine. You guys would have to name it, and then you would end up on this page also. Um, so let's see. We have to find the files. I downloaded them. Gotta find Sleepy. Okay, here are the files. I don't know why I'm doing this individually. I know I just did it simpler and selected everything. But here we are. We got it in. We converted it. It's over. And now we hit this. We get to this page, open, and now the files are coming in. Now, I'm using Pro Tools 9. You can use 10, 11, 12, 8. There's really no difference. This is minor changes, but it really all looks the same. Um, So don't be alarmed at that. If you have 8, 7, don't worry about it. It's pretty much all the same. I just haven't updated because I've been busy. So we got new track selected, which is good. Voila. Now, the way this looks, this is called your edit box. So if you go to Window, this is called Edit, and then if I was to click Mix, this is where you would level each track out. So if I wanted to turn down the drums and things like that and turn up this and turn up that, you could do all those things. But that's something else for another day. Just wanted to give you guys that. So now we have the record. Let's make sure everything came in smooth and we have everything. Just want to make sure it drops and make sure we have everything. Okay. Okay, so that's fine. Everything looks good. So now say we did all our editing, we cut it, we leveled, we did what we needed to do. Now we have to bounce the record out and make it all as one. So we will go to bounce, to disk. I like to keep everything wave. That's just me, and then eventually convert it over, but to MP3 through like iTunes and things like that. So I go wave. Everything selected, 24-bit. Is everything good? Yep. And we will save it as ST, sleeping time. And now it's bouncing out. It's that simple. It's very simple. Um, And unfortunately, it would go through the whole entire length of the record. So for actually time's sake, let's just exit and let's rebounce. And you know what? Before we rebounce, so we're not wasting a million hours to have this bounce, let's just do this half. And we'll just bounce that half out. That's selected. So now wave, same thing. As we go through, we'll go ST. And now there's only 38 seconds, as you see it, as opposed to 3:24, the length of the record. Now it's over. Now we know where we have bounced it out to. I think I might have did it in documents, so that's easy. We'll just go here and find out all files. Look it up. ST. It comes up. Now we listen to this record in iTunes. If you can see if you guys can see the screen. Yep. Now we're on iTunes. And we're listening to it through iTunes. That's simple. We just took a record, we did what we needed to do on it, and now we have exported it out. And now it's an actual song that you can play on your iPod, play in your car, show to your friends, get critiques from, and things like that. I will give another tutorial on how to bounce an entire session. So you can send it to the studio and it comes up the same way it comes up in Pro Tools. But that'll be for another day. Thank you for your time. And if there's any questions or comments, please leave them. I appreciate it. Thank you.